Hi, so for my experiment, I was in the front lobby of the residence hall on the ACU campus. People were walking past, so I put my ID on the ground and I was trying to see if anybody would stop and pick it up. So most people were walking past to get to their rooms, to go to work, get some food, go work out. So most people had somewhere to be. They were kind of in a rush. So I observed and I recorded what would happen when I left my ID on the ground. Ideally, we would think that most people would stop and pick up an ID that somebody lost. An ID is pretty important, so we're hoping that someone would help us take care of our stuff. The ID was only about 6 feet from the front desk, which is where we're supposed to turn in IDs and stuff that we find. So it's really not that inconvenient for someone to pick it up and turn it in. Everyone that walked past the ID that was on the ground was a student at ACU, and there was a lot of people at the front desk. I don't know if that had anything to do with the amount of people that picked it up. So there were 4 or 5 people sitting at the front desk. They weren't facing the ID, but they could see people walk past. There were a total of 72 times that people walked past the ID. Many students simply did not see the ID. They were talking to somebody, they were on their phone, weren't really paying attention. There were several students that saw it, probably about 10 people saw it, 10 or 15 people saw it, and they just kept walking. Only 6 students stopped and picked up the ID and handed it to the desk. Of those 6 students, there was 5 guys and 1 girl. So I will show you the times that somebody picked up the ID. So this is the first one. It was a guy. He was actually moving stuff for Encounter. They had Encounter that night. He was going out of his way to pick up the ID. He's a nice guy. And then the next one.
Hot cheese.
Hot
cheese. Yes, and I'm washing it down with
picked it up, turned it in. Pretty straightforward. This is the third one.
Zach versus Tim Reed in the race. No, him.
This was the only girl that picked one up.
A little photo finish.
The fourth one. And the fifth one.
So you're good. It's all good. Do you know what mine was last year? Oh, thanks, man. That we came up. I've been looking for that. Red, wine,
and the last one. This guy was taking out his trash, so he stopped, picked up the ID. He told us that somebody dropped their ID to pick it up. There were many people that walked past. Many of them didn't stop to pick up the ID. Only 6 out of 72, so 1 out of every 12 people stopped to pick it up. There were many people that saw it and chose not to pick it up, and I'm not sure. I'm thinking some of it is because there were people sitting at the desk and they're like, oh, they must know the ID is already there. So they decided not to pick it up and take the time. And yeah. So in conclusion, the majority of people did not stop to pick up the ID. I'm not sure if this was because of they didn't feel like slowing down or they didn't want people to see them picking up something off the ground. Somebody got in front of the camera for a little bit. It was a very natural setting. People drop their IDs all the time. It's something that we think that other people will do. We think that someone will pick up our ID and return it to us so we don't lose it. But it was a surprisingly low amount of people that picked up the ID and turned it in, even though it was literally 6 feet from where we have to turn it in. That could have been a factor because they're like, oh, they're right there. They can pick up the ID and take care of it. So socially, there's a lot of aspects that come into play during this experiment, and I had a good time figuring it out and just watching people and seeing who actually took the time out of their day to pick up my ID and knowing that it was less common than I thought it was going to be. Yeah, thanks.